This is Crystal of Vanhalla Adventures. After we prepared our van for the winter, Brian left to go back on tour, and once again, I find myself alone in the van. This week, I decided to stretch myself and go into the woods to boondock with no cell service and see how I manage when I push myself a little further each week while he is away. Good morning, everyone. I'm still waking up. It's been a really nice, relaxing morning here. I'm staying in the woods up above Ashland somewhere, and it was so quiet last night, and this morning it's still really quiet. There is not a peep in the forest, and it's been kind of freaking me out a little bit. I'm trying to go with it, but you know when things are so quiet, like the stillness before the storm? So it's a little weird, but it was an easy spot to find. I didn't get stuck, so pretty chill. I kind of want to go check it out outside. I think we should do that. Go kind of see what's around here, because I got in pretty late last night. I didn't really just check out the scene outside. Oh, it's nice. So it's been pretty soggy out the past few days. It's been really rainy, which I wasn't expecting. I was actually coming down here to get away from it, but it followed me, so it's definitely wet and soggy. It's kind of a cool place. You can see Beatrice. There's the road I took to get in. Looks like there's some trails and stuff to hang out at. Looks like there's another little spot I was scoping up out here too. It's kind of cool. You could have like a few different van lifers around here. It's a little spot. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite, but it's free and it's really quiet. There's no cell service. This is my first time boondocking by myself. So I was a little freaked out to do that by myself for the first time. I feel like I should have named this whole vlog, this whole series called Facing My Fears, because I feel like that's all I'm doing while B is gone, is just a whole lot of firsts. So first time camping alone without cell phone service in the middle of nowhere, not knowing where I'm at. So went successfully. Yeah, no knocks on the door or anything. So I feel pretty accomplished for the day already. Went well. I feel like being nervous is definitely it's normal. So for any of you, I know that I have a lot of subscribers in here that are planning on van life, and it's totally normal to be nervous. I just think you really just have to be prepared and yeah, just remember that it's all an adventure, you know, and just see what happens. But now I definitely, ooh, it's kind of dark in here. I'm gonna turn this light on. There we go. Our van is a little dark. I got some tea from a local tea place called Dobra Tea in Ashland, Oregon, and I want to try it this morning, so I think I'm going to make that just to get going for the day before I start my workout. So I got about 6 different samples of tea yesterday, and they all smell amazing. This tea place is so cool. They have teas from all over the world. I think we're actually gonna go there today because it was just such a cool experience, and Ashland's a cool little town, and I want to show you this apothecary too, because I know all of you are into herbs too, or at least most of you. So I got these, I always forgot how to say this, but pure tea discs. I got a raw and a ripe one. I got a bunch of different green teas. But today I think we're gonna do the sweet smell of Jerusalem cinnamon black tea, but I'm gonna make it into a little bit of a latte with oat milk. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Yes. Excited. That is so good. I swear, in the morning, like, this is my favorite part of the mornings, is drinking tea. I just love it so much. It's like perfect time to journal or to read, get ready to work out. It's amazing. Well, it was a good workout, but the one thing I don't like working out after it's been raining is that my yoga mat gets all muddy, and it's kind of a mess, but I feel accomplished because I did it despite it being really cold and muddy. But I think now time to get actually ready for the day so we can go on an adventure. So before we leave, there's something I'm really proud of. I want to show you because it's something you'll have to do if and when you live in a van, because most places you find that are in the woods, they're totally not level. It's awesome when you find that, but is leveling the van. So I did this all by myself last night. I was so psyched. There wasn't good enough lighting for me to really show you, but I got a little video of it, but here you go. You can just see it right now. Look at that. What? That is sexy right there. That is a sexy level. I do have to admit, this one right here could use a little work, but pretty good, right? It's something I'm definitely going to be working on, is my leveling skills, because I could tell the van was still like a little bit off, but I don't really know how to use more blocks than that. So I'm going to have to ask B when he comes home, or just kind of keep practicing But I feel really good about it. It was a huge accomplishment for my first time boondocking. So yeah. I think one of the best parts about van life is being able to see all the different seasons all over the country, or countries, depending on, you know, everywhere you're going. And fall is especially beautiful because you get to see all the leaves changing colors in different regions, and they all have their own unique colors and vibe and energy to them. And this drive is absolutely gorgeous. I wish I could show you the whole thing, but all I have is my iPhone right now. I don't have anything to put the regular, like our big camera on, but I'm gonna do my best to kind of show you little snippets of it, because this was a gorgeous drive up here. And in the description I'll put the campsite where I stayed, and there's also definitely at least 10 other campsites around the area where I stayed. So, and nobody was around at all, which is nice. I felt safe. It was like a little scary at first, but it was overall felt like good energy in the area. Oh my gosh, look at this. So good. That was an absolutely nourishing meal. Second time going there. I would happily go again next time we're here. It's also located in the downtown historic area of Ashland. Ashland is absolutely adorable. If you love small, like local shops, and you love organic food and healthy stuff, I definitely say this is more like a hippie town. So it's really cool just to like walk around. I even parked a little bit further out today just so I could walk in the neighborhood. So I'd suggest doing the same if you're in this area. Very cool, free camping like I said earlier. It's a great little place for van life. Made it back to the van, safe and sound. Only thing that's a bit of a bummer is that because it's been so gray out lately, my battery bank is pretty low right now. I just was looking at my app, so I have to go plug in tonight. Not super psyched on that, but I did find a place that has, Brian and I already stayed there before. I think I'm gonna go back, and it has hot springs, and when you take a shower there, it's also the hot springs water, so that's pretty sweet. But won't be able to go back into the woods tonight. But there's hot springs, so whatever. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching this video. It's so great to have you come along and join me in my first time boondocking. I'll see you all in a few days. If you have not already, please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss any of our uploads. And I will see you all soon. Bye.